We're at the Miami airport waiting for the hotel shuttle to pick us up and take us to the room. It was a long journey getting here, taking a train or a shuttle to the train in Fort Lauderdale. And the train took us to Miami, and now we're about to get on another shuttle to the hotel. It's been a long journey, and now we're at the room. And the key didn't work, so now we have to wait here and wait for the lady to bring us back a key that actually works so we can get inside the room and shower. Yay! Finally dressed and ready. About to go eat some lunch somewhere, then get our toes done, and then go to the grocery store and get a case of water. And what else, Beth? Oh, this is my friend Beth. We're on the cruise together tomorrow. We're in the hotel now. But what else are we doing today? Anything else planned?
That's it so far. Maybe getting a drink.
Oh yeah, let's get a drink. Yeah, it was a debacle getting here, but we're finally done. All right, see y'all later.